Okay, the first one is the multi-table importer. This one's dead simple, and this has been such an amazing feature in terms of how people use our system. It's one of those features where you can tell people who started at Granta after this was implemented because they just use it like they breathe because it's so useful to them. So we have a new slide on here, a new tab, which is called Import Sequence. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. There we go. It has to be called Import Sequence. It can be anywhere amongst the tabs. The first column is called Step, and it's just the name of the step. You can name it whatever you want. I would recommend something that's easy to identify at least. You then have to have your attribute lookup, import options, and parameter lookups. So for our test data, we have an attribute lookup specifically for the test data, an import option specifically for the test data, and then our parameter lookup, again for the test. Similar for our design. We can name our attribute lookup, import options, and parameter lookup whatever we want in this case, so long as it matches whatever you've put in this cell. Keep in mind, you do need an import options because you have to have auto placement for this import sequence tab to work. You don't need to have parameter lookup because you don't have to have a parameter lookup sheet if you aren't importing tabular data or functional data. Finally, for each row or each step you need, or for each step you need a separate row, and it goes in the order that you listed here. So if you're going to import any data that's dependent on other data, think about the order that you're importing it. And that's all there is to creating one of these multi-table importers. It's really simple and really worth it.